Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, as you have seen the title, I'm going to tell you about a hidden trick or the secret to increase or decrease the item stock without using the item general. And it is not a customization, it is fully based solution that is provided by the Microsoft. If I go to this item card, you can see there is a field called inventory. It means this item has 200 inventory in our system. You can see that this is a positive adjustment with this date and remaining quantity is 200. If I go to three dots, you can see this is a page called adjust inventory. It has 200 inventory in the unspecified locations means blank location. These are other locations that are available with the zero inventory. If I entered here 1 and press tab and OK, it is 201. If I go to this with today's date or the work date, I don't know, it might be a work date that I have set it up. It has created the positive adjustment on the blue location with quantity 1. Now if I go to this and create it with a 0 again, and then again it is 200. Now it has the negative adjustment. If we decrease the stock, it will create the negative adjustment. If we increase the stock, it will create the positive adjustment. So this is how a hidden trick is working in Business Center. This is about the three dots that maybe Microsoft has customized, but there is one more feature. If I talk about this is not editable. If I make it editable, let's see what happens. I'm doing the AL code to make the inventory field editable. This question sometimes asked in the interview as well, why the flow field is being editable and what are the features after it is being editable in the inventory. Now if I go to the item card again, let's see, this is editable now. If I make it 401 and tab it, I didn't use these third dots. Now if I go to this, it has 401, and now if I go to this has created a single item positive adjustment with the entry type of purchase without any location code and posting date. So this is not a good thing to use. I think that was the better one to use because it has the location and date as well. But this is a feature of Microsoft, but it is not documented anywhere. This can be a bug also, but this was the nice feature I can say. So stay connected. Thank you for watching and let me know if it helps you in any way. Thank you.